Alice, do you like your son? Get it. Oh. What do you have? What do you have? It's a wintry day today. Good day to be hanging out inside with a big hat on. Huh? Oh.
Wait, she just discovered noise.
Wow, Alice. I've never seen you. Hey, kid.
What's she doing?
Put the head straight. Wow.
Hey, Spazzo. Spazzo. Hi, Spazzo.
Don't hurt yourself.